Hello there guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the continuation of the WordPress course which we have started. So in this video, last video, see, we have got a domain mastersite.cf. In this video, we're going to get our web hosting. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to a website called Infinity Free. Okay, and press enter, and you just have to click on this website, infinityfree.net. Trust me, it's a really safe, secure website. I am using it for a lot of time because they are reliable and fast hosting. So let's see what they offer. Fastest free hosting. They provide us with cPanel. Okay, so free SSL. They provide with free SSL with free subdomains and MySQL, PHP, unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and 400 MySQL database, full .ht access support, and a free DNS system service. That's really good. So I think I took it extreme, but it doesn't matter. Right now you have to click on sign up now, and now this will take up to your this page. Now you can fill and then confirm your email address. Now here I have filled all the details, and now I'm going to just click on sign in, and create new account. So it's saying that the email has already taken. Okay. I have registered that email. Okay, I have entered a different email address right now, and I'm going to click on create account. So, okay, now they have sent a email verification to this address. I'm going to check my Gmail. And here we go. We have got an email verification from Infinity Free. And you have to just click on verify email address. And once you click on that, you will arrive at this page. See how well this is their main dashboard. So now it's saying that no accounts yet, and now we have to create one. So click on create account, and now it will ask you some details, that whether you want a subdomain or a domain. Subdomain is like this: Infinity Free app, means your name at infinityfreeapp.com, or your name at epc.com, your name at let's see what else is 42 app. No, but we have already registered a domain over here, so we need to click on custom domain. Okay, so it's saying the domain needs to point to the Infinity Free name servers before you use it. Let's click on learn more. Okay, now we need to point the name servers. So first of all, let's copy this one and go to our domain registrar and click on manage domain. Once we click on manage domain, then click on management tools and click on name servers, and here it will be default name servers, and click on custom name servers, and the one we copied, you have to paste them here. Go here again, and then copy the second one, copy and go here and paste it here, and now click on change name servers. Okay, so now the name servers are changed. Now you can just close this and go here. Let's copy our domain name, mastersite.cf. This is our domain name. You need to click on custom domain and paste your domain. Let's click on search domain. Okay, so here our domain is available. Very nice, and now our domain is available. Now additional information, account label. So the label is website for our channel and account username. Let's create a unique password. I will just pause it for now, and because I'm not going to show that password to use because the internet will log in. And once you fill that reCAPTCHA and create your password and all, then you will be redirected to this page. Now here's an important step. Now don't click open control panel and just click view client area. This will take you to the client area. Now these all are the details. I'm not going to show all these details to you. So we are just going to click on our domain name, and it will say can't reach this page, because let's see the warning. See, we are setting up your account. Please refresh the page in a few minutes. Means they're still setting up the account. You can and here in the account details, here in the account details section, you can even see the status is pending. So okay, yeah, let's try refreshing the page. Let's see now. Now it's saying please note that it can take up to 72 hours for a new domain to start working everywhere. Let's click on why does this happen. If you have just created an account or just added a new domain name to you may be surprised unable to view a website when using the domain. Instead, you may see an advertisements page or QZ added to your URL. The error saying the site can't be reached. Okay, so the DNS takes basically some time to point to our domains and all. Let's again try. It is still saying like that. Let's real quick refresh it again. Once we refresh, then please log into the control panel to enable FTP and file manager access. Okay, so let's click on control panel here, and this will take you to the control panel. So okay, so they can send emails to us. Now let's real quick, when we are done, when we can access our website, then we will get means what we say is we will add an SSL to our domain. So now it's loading. Okay, let's leave it. Now we need to install WordPress on it. To install WordPress, just scroll below until you reach under software. Once you reach there, you can just click on the Softaculous apps installer. Don't worry, it's showing not secure, but they will not hack us or something like that. And you just have to click hover on WordPress and click on install. It will take you to the installation page. Okay, right now it's the blog name. So the blog name is Mastersci and the ultimate website. And okay, yeah, so this is all we have to do. And now you have to choose your domain. Right now I have only one, so let's see if there is any new version. No, there is. This is the newest version. Now let's click on username, and I'll enter my username as admin, and I'll hide the password. Okay, and I will enter my own. Now I have entered my password. Here I'm going to scroll down till I reach the okay. So manage plugins. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that. Let's see what is in the advanced options. So it's the database name and all and all and all. I'm going to just free it like that and click on. Let's check if anything is missing. So okay, there will be a problem if you choose HTTPS because we haven't installed SSL yet. So to install SSL first, okay. First we are going to install SSL. To install SSL, just go here down. Okay, so scroll up and click on SSL and TSLs. Okay, so now click on configure SSL if you have a domain. Let's click on configure and let's wait. Okay, now it's asking for these keys. So to get that, you just need to open a new tab. I'll just close these email tab and this tab and search for free okay, SSL. Just search for that and okay, let's see. Yeah, so now we are not going to install it actually, and directly go on to the WordPress installation. Sorry for the disturbance because I thought that you could install this. Let's go in Thankyou app installer and click on install all that. Yeah, master sign, the ultimate blog. I guess I had entered this password only. Okay, I'm gonna enter my username as admin and then continue with this one and simply click on install. Select your language English and simply click on install. So it has started installation. It may take 3 to 4 minutes. Till then you can drink water. Oh, it's done. Wow. Now it's installed. It's still saying that can't reach the page. Okay, they had warned that it may take and all. So we have to wait till it. Let's try refreshing our page. It is still saying that it needs time. Okay, let it be. I'll come back in a few minutes. Okay, now I have came back. Let's see what is the result. I guess it would happen because there are a lot of hours. I waited for 3 to 4 hours. Wow, our website loaded. That's amazing. Now this is our basic WordPress website. When we load that, don't worry, we're going to modify it later on. And for today, thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like and share our videos. And that's it guys for today. In the next video we'll see how to get a what we say is a free SSL. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.